Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to quote another message in Slack to provide clear context and keep your team's discussions organized. Step 1. Copy the message link. Instead of just copying and pasting text, using a message link, permalink, creates a rich interactive preview that credits the original sender. Hover over the message you want to quote and click the three dots, More Actions icon in the top right corner. Select Copy Link. This copies the unique URL for that specific message to your clipboard. In the 2026 interface, quoting via a link is the preferred method because it allows teammates to click the quote and jump directly to the original conversation for full context. Step 2. Paste and add your response. Now that you have the link, you can share it in any channel or DM alongside your own thoughts. Navigate to the channel where you want to post, paste the link into the message bar, Ctrl-V or Command-V, and press Shift-Enter to start a new line for your reply. When you paste the link, Slack will automatically generate a rich preview box that displays the quoted text and the author's name. By adding your comment on a new line, you keep the quoted reference distinct from your actual response. Step 3. Use manual block quotes for specific snippets. If you only need to quote a small phrase rather than a whole message, you can use the manual block quote formatting. Type the greater than symbol, followed by a space, then paste or type the specific text you want to quote. This will create a vertical gray bar to the left of the text, visually marking it as a quote. You can also highlight any text you've already typed and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-9 for Windows or Command-Shift-9 for Mac to instantly toggle the block quote format on or off. And that's pretty much it. To quote a message in 2026, click the three dots on any post to copy link, then paste it into your chat to generate a rich preview. For shorter excerpts, simply use the greater than symbol, greater than, to create a manual block quote that clearly separates the reference from your reply. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.